Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to save or share your Smartsheet work as a PDF, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'll show you two super simple ways to export your Smartsheet to PDF. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your sheets into polished, easy-to-share documents, perfect for printing, emailing, or archiving. Let's jump right in and take away any confusion once and for all. First up, let's tackle exporting from within your sheet or workspace itself. So once you're inside the Smartsheet project you want to export, look for the File tab at the top left corner. This is where all your export, save, and print options live. Go ahead and click on File. From there you'll see a drop-down menu. Among the options you'll spot Export. Click on that. Now from the list of export formats you'll want to choose Export to PDF. A lot of people miss this step, especially if they're in a hurry, but PDF is by far the most universally accepted format for sharing and presentation. Clicking Export to PDF will open up a customization setup. Don't rush through this part. Here, you get to decide how your sheet is going to look in PDF form. You can choose options like paper size, orientation, whether you want grid lines, and even if you want comments and attachments included. Take a moment to review these settings. If you're ever exporting something for a team meeting, for example, you might want a landscape layout so everything fits nicely on the page. Once you've chosen all your settings, just press OK. Smartsheet will take care of the rest and download your PDF file. This part might take a few moments, especially if your sheet is on the larger side, so don't worry if there's a bit of a pause. Alright, let's look at the second way. It's just as easy, but works well if you're still on your main Smartsheet dashboard or browsing through different sheets. In this case, start off by navigating to the Browse section of Smartsheet. This is where you can see all your sheets and workspaces at a glance. Find the sheet you want to export from the list. Now, instead of opening the sheet, just right-click on it. You'll notice a menu pops up. Here you'll want to select Export to PDF. This shortcut is incredibly handy. It lets you skip a couple of steps, especially if you already know exactly which sheet you need. As before, you'll get the customization setup screen. The great thing about this is that you still have complete control over how your final PDF looks. Adjust the settings to fit your needs, check things over, then hit OK. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're exporting from inside a sheet or from the Browse screen, Smartsheet makes it painless to generate a PDF that's ready to share. Remember, if you run into any hiccups or your PDF doesn't look the way you expect, double-check those customization options. Little tweaks can make a big difference in your final output. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. It tells me you want more tips just like this. Got questions on exporting, or maybe you want a deep dive into other Smartsheet features? Drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.